Matt Linklater here. Let me share with you some of the services we offer through our family office structure. Now these are some of the services because we're never limited to anything. Because if we have an idea and we have a tax attorney and we have a client that we can match up the opportunity and the solution, then we will go ahead and do that. Now I don't want to say we're the jack of all trades. What we are is the point person with many different strategies, and those many different strategies only, some fit a multitude of clients, and then some are very specific. So let me share with you the multitude of strategies we have that fit the multitude of clients. Now, we also have those esoteric ideas as well. So through our family office structure, what we're able to do is do exactly what you're getting through your tax and accounting office. We can do your tax preparation, we can do your payroll, we can do your accounting, but through this, we offer a forward-looking tax plan. We can even do IRS representations. So we do all that under our tax and accounting piece of our business. And so all these are interconnected, neither of them are separate. The other one is what I call tax credits. So we'll look at work opportunity tax credits. If you hire people, you can qualify for up to a $9,600 tax credit for hiring that person. So if you're hiring somebody, give us a call and we'll see if they qualify and you qualify for the work opportunity tax credit. We also do some cost segregation. So we look at your property. What are you paying in taxes? What was the build out? Can we get you some tax credits through an engineering study? Now, we also do different, if you will, analysis through your merchant processing. So we can analyze your merchant processing. Most people are overpaying by 21% is the national average. We can take over your merchant processing. The big thing out there is this flat rate fee. When you get a flat rate fee, you're typically paying higher than that. We can get you an interchange plus model and drastically lower your fees. And since that's not our main business, it's just kind of an add-on, we can actually drive down your fees even further for your merchant processing. The other thing we look at is what we call our advanced wealth building strategies. So through advanced wealth building strategies, we look at your entity setup. We look at what are some wealth building strategies. Do you have qualified accounts versus non-qualified accounts? Do you have 401ks? Do you have cash value plans? Do you have defined benefit plans? Can we put in key man life insurance strategies? Can we use self-directed IRAs? Can we use financial projections to see, what does it look like when you buy another business? What does each investment look like for you? So we can do all these different things in our advanced wealth building strategies. If you're looking for legacy planning, do you want to utilize something that we call the Rockefeller method or the Rockefeller method that's out there? So we can look at all these different strategies to help you maximize what you're doing. We also can do some profit consulting. Since we're looking at your numbers each and every day, how do you maximize it? See, we're buying a few businesses, and these businesses are pretty simple. They have a third overhead, a third employee cost, and a third free cash flow to the owners, if you will. Most of these owners that we're looking at are paying 22% free cash flow to themselves, have 48% employee costs. So their employee costs are too high and their return to themselves is too low. Well, how do you fix that? It's not all about just cutting employees, right? There's other strategies. Revenue cures all, sales cures all, but do you know your numbers? These guys were CPAs and they didn't know their numbers. So we can put in profit calculations. We can put in key performance indicators. We can give you ideas to bring those numbers back into line and help consult with you to maximize those strategies. We have a 13-point business optimization sales system structure that we put in place, all measuring of how do you increase revenue? How do you make sure you're maximizing your investment into each one of your clients? Where do you spend your time? Where do you spend your money? I've trained over 30,000 financial professionals and sales professionals on these types of strategies and have implemented these into businesses. All these are put in through dynamic dashboards within your CRM, dynamic dashboards within QuickBooks Online, and dynamic dashboards that essentially are readily available right on your phone. And all these are designed to, one, maximize your profit and maximize your revenue. And remember, revenue and profits cure all. The more revenues you have, the more you can drive your profit, the more successful you're going to be. If you can decrease your costs by 12% and increase your revenues by 20%, your net profit will be well over 50% more than it currently is. And so when you look at the family office structure, we want to look at everything you're doing for your business and say, how do we maximize it? So how do we maximize your business through our tax and accounting strategies and our tax preparation? How do we maximize your business through tax credits? How do we maximize your business through merchant auditing? How do we put our advanced wealth building strategies in place? And then how do we maximize your business through profit and revenue consulting? And all of this is designed to help you create cash flow efficiencies, tax efficiencies, and build wealth more efficiently, just like Uber Wealthy do through our triangle of wealth and our family office strategies.